Now, Patriot does not know it snowed out, but he's about to find out. Ready, buddy? What the heck? Alright, he's eating the snow. It's freaky cold. Gonna go out? Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah, I'd say about 4 inches of snow. Solid. Come on. Gotta do pee-pee somewhere. Down. Down. Down the steps. Come on, Nutty. Come on, we gotta go down. Go, go. Oh. It's snow, buddy, it's snow. Let's see who'll be first to make the yellow. Oh, he wants to play already. Give him a little light. Oh, there's the first yellow snow, everybody. Give him some privacy. It's a ghost town out here, which you better be. Even the main road snow removal is not great. Man, you're making a lot of yellow snow, buddy. We'll go around to the front and look. Oh, back. There's some cars out there. He thinks that's Daddy's car. He's excited. You're getting whiter by the second, buddy. Patriot. Patriot. That's a truck, huh? Patriot. Let me see you. Like a good boy.